In today's fast-paced consumer market, manufacturers face numerous challenges when it comes to managing their supply chains effectively. Overseeing operations can be a complex undertaking, especially when trying to keep up with production demand while facing strain on the supply chain and limited visibility from suppliers. The lack of certainty and transparency within the supply chain often leads to disruptions, delays, and increased costs. Supply planners rely on intuition in far too many cases, and even the most experienced teams will encounter avoidable mistakes. Our material supply management application supports planners and production operations by automating supplier communication, introducing AI decision support, and improving visibility for exception handling. Let's take a look. We'll start with the Supplier Portal, where your key partners will be granted access. On a configurable cadence, your suppliers will be automatically prompted to give firm validation of material deliveries. They can use this entry point to confirm with one click, but when circumstances change and deliveries cannot be met, the application offers a way to present structured revisions back to your supply planners and leave messages with all relevant context. This simple interaction helps prevent communication from being lost in email and brings regularity to an unpredictable process. Your supply planners will be promptly alerted to any deviations that will impact your production plans. Once accessed, all relevant information will be available to decide how to approach the constraint. This includes the revisions sent over by the supplier, a summary view of your production plan sourced from your ERP, and visibility of available surplus within your internal network. Using these and other data points, the system is able to suggest a recommended action and estimate costs associated with addressing the problem. This enables your planners to proceed with a course of action, knowing their decision is backed by data. Planners can also take immediate action. Choosing the recommended action will pre-fill an internal order form and submit to the appropriate party. This ensures expedited turnarounds in a world where delays can have extraordinary costs. With the material supply management application at your side, you can help increase certainty across your supply chain and more consistently meet production demands. Please reach out if you have any questions or would like to see a hands-on demonstration.